In this video, I'd like to take you through how to utilize the Cron to JAMS conversion utility. So we can go ahead and take any of your Cron jobs, convert and import them into JAMS. So to get started, let's open up a browser and navigate to support.jamscheduler.com. Here in the search field, you're going to want to search for Cron. And for this demonstration, we are going to show you how to utilize the conversion utility for our latest version, which is version 7. So select the JAMS 7.x conversion utility, scroll down to the bottom, and let's download the cron to jams.zip file. Now, once that is downloaded, of course, you're going to want to extract that, and it'll create a directory called cron to jams. Now, within this directory, we're going to want to get a cron tab export. And as you can see here, I have a cron tab.txt, and make sure it resides in this directory. So if I go ahead and open this up, one thing to note is when you get a cron tab export, there may be comments in that file, and you want to make sure that all those comments are removed from the file, and all that is left is the schedules for the jobs. Okay, once that is done, we can then issue the command to convert the jobs. And let's just take a look at this command for a moment. So here we're going to call cron to jams.exe. We're going to next give the cron tab export file name. So in my case, it's crontab.txt. And then we're going to give a path to an output file. So we're going to output this file in XML format. So just give a full path and a name of the file. So in my case, I just chose to name it output.xml, but that could be any name you would like to give it. Next, we have to dictate an agent within JAMS. So to execute these jobs on any Linux or Unix box, you're going to need to install an agent on that box and then configure the agent here in JAMS. And we're going by the agent name as we see here in the commands. So here I'm referring to my Linux agents. Next, JAMS. This is a credential. So you're going to want to make sure whatever credential you utilize to be able to log into that box is already in the credential shortcut here. If it's not already present, you want to go ahead and click the plus sign and add it. And lastly, we want to give the execution method name. So this is going to greatly depend on which agent you choose to install. So JAMS Agent X is going to utilize SSH agent, and JAMS Agent D, which is the daemon for Linux, is going to utilize Unix shell or Unix script. But in this case, we'll utilize JAMS Agent X and refer to the SSH agent execution method. Okay, once we have the command configured, let's go ahead and copy it. Next, we're going to open up a command prompt. Let's just be on the safe side and right-click and run as administrator. Let's cd into our cron to jams directory. And let's go ahead and paste in that command and hit enter. And as you can see here, the conversion is very quick, and we can then go and verify that our output.xml file is created. So once we have the output.xml file created, we can go into JAMS into the definition shortcuts And let me just create a new folder here just for the cron jobs. So once you have a folder created or selected where you want to create these jobs in, we can right click here and import. We're going to go ahead and look in our cron to JAMS directory and take the output.xml that was generated via the utility. Select open. Here you're going to see a list of all the JAMS jobs or all the cron jobs that we're going to import that were converted from cron. You can see every step of the way, every one of them was successful. So we can right click, refresh, and your jobs now are imported into JAMS. Keep in mind, you'll want to disable the schedule in cron if you have the schedule running here in JAMS to be sure that jobs are not running from two locations. I hope that was helpful. If you need anything additional, please don't hesitate to reach out to JAMS support at support.jamscheduler.com.